Entrepreneurship changed my life forever. Not too long ago, I was working 2 jobs. I wasn't too pleased with my financial situation. I decided to take control of my life and take a leap of faith in starting my first business, which was a credit restoration business. However, believe it or not, I actually didn't learn about business credit or discover business credit until I was almost a year into my business. But when I did discover business credit and all the amazing things that it can do, I really felt left out. I'm like, man, how did I not know about this? Even worse, being the researcher that I am, when I began to do a deep dive and try to figure out everything I could about business credit, I realized that there wasn't much out there, or at least not much useful information. This led me to start my YouTube channel, Kelvin McNeil. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you are. So after reading several books about business credit and then, pretty much hitting the ground running, 10 toes down, through trial and error, I finally developed a successful plan for establishing business credit the right way. Through business credit, I've been able to establish 6-figure capital for my business, get business loans, and get things in my business's name that I never imagined possible. But more importantly, I've been able to use the capital established through business credit to start more streams of income and other businesses that are now paying for my leisure lifestyle. So this is what really fuels me to educate as many people as possible so that we can all be self-paid in the shade and enjoy the benefits of business credit and capital. This information will completely change your life and put your business in a situation to where the only reason your business doesn't last is because you decided to bail on it. And I hope that's not the case. But capital for sure won't be the reason. And that's pretty much 95% of the reason why most businesses fail, as we all know. We got to start with ourselves, okay? We have to build the right mindset for success. Without the proper mindset, it doesn't matter what you take away or what you learn from this course, you're not going to be able to apply it to your life, okay? So we got to go through and develop your mindset before we really dive into this stuff. The most important skill that any person, not business, any human could develop is discipline. Every single day that you wake up, there is a series of decisions you subconsciously make that determine the outcome of your life. No matter how ambitious you are, no matter how smart you are, how talented or skilled you are, without self-discipline, none of that matters. The biggest source of self-discipline is to have a reason to complete the task. This is why purpose is so important. I mean, you can't really have self-discipline without purpose. So at the end of this video, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to really sit down and think about what your purpose is. I mean, think about it. What is your real motivation? What is your why? I mean, there had to be a very important life-altering, motivating factor. Whatever that is, the first thing that comes to your mind, go ahead and write that down on a sticky note and put that on your monitor or your laptop, whatever device you're using to take this course. And every time you're looking for an excuse not to start or not to continue, I want you to look down at that sticky note, look at that why, and remember to remind yourself of your purpose, okay? So that you can develop the proper self-discipline and, more importantly, to take action on this information that I'm about to give you. So you may be thinking, what's my purpose? Well, let me tell you, for me, my purpose, the reason why I get out of bed every day and I help people with credit is because not only do I love helping others, but my purpose for being an entrepreneur is because I want to create an opportunity or create a lifestyle for myself that allows me to spend time with my family, to not work for a corporation that can fire me at any day. And most importantly, number one, time freedom, okay? That is the number one driving factor for me. That's my purpose. My purpose is to help others through my service and at the same time create time freedom for myself so that I can live a life where I basically have the freedom to do what I want, when I want, how I want it. Okay. So that is my why. Okay. What's yours? You want to know what or who is your worst enemy? I'm going to tell you what it is. It's called self-doubt. You are indeed your own worst enemy, whether you realize it or not. It's not easy being an entrepreneur as is, but the only way that you're going to be able to achieve anything is to first believe that you can. People will never rise above the opinions of their self. As Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. If you don't take away anything else from this course right now, I want you to know that you don't need anyone else to believe in yourself but you. You are the only person that needs to believe in you, not your family, not your friends, not your instructor, even though I do believe in you, not your peers, okay? You are it, all right? No matter what anyone has ever said about you, it's only true if you believe it. You see, I have a very strong belief that I can literally do anything I set my mind to, as cliche as that may sound. Now think about that phrase for a moment. I think and I feel that I can do anything I set my mind to, because your mindset will end up being your biggest asset or liability. Next, let's talk about the law of conformity, another critical theory. Now, we don't get to choose whether or not we're programmed. We only get to choose how we're being programmed. Every single thing that your mind consumes throughout the day becomes part of your programming. From the music, the television shows, the news channels, whether it be CNN or Fox, even down to the conversations that you're having with your peers. All of it has an impact on your conscious. So please, I beg of you, choose wisely. We've all heard the saying, birds of a feather flock together, right? So always be aware of your surroundings and then make the necessary adjustments. So I challenge you, while I have your attention, I want you to make a conscious effort to be aware of your surroundings and especially what you consume. Let's start off like this. Choose to consume positivity, not drama. Substitute mindless entertainment with educational and inspirational content. And more importantly, choose to speak more life over yourself and less death. Convenience is a killer. All right, that's the topic for this module. Convenience is a killer. Have you ever turned down a job that you really wanted because either the commute was too far or the responsibilities were just outside of your comfort zone? Have you ever decided not to go to the gym because you didn't feel like changing your clothes or leaving the house? Have you ever decided not to go to a particular restaurant that you've been dying to try because you heard how long the wait is? These are just a few examples of how convenience can get in the way of your goals. We're going to go ahead and dead that now. We're going to get rid of that bad habit today. The definition of convenience is the state of being able to proceed with something with little effort or difficulty. Well, I've got some news for you. The most valuable things in life are on the other side of convenience. I'm sure if starting a business was more convenient, more people would do it, but it's not. As we dive deep into the principles of business credit and how to achieve and tap into that unlimited capital, you will face some adversity. We'll go more into details about this in later weeks, but I want you to know early on that you've got this. No, we got this. There may be moments of inconvenience, but I want you to always keep your eyes on the prize and know that it's all worth it. Remember that sticky note, right? Look at your why and remind yourself of why you're doing this. Establishing a solid foundation for your business is not hard, but it will take some effort, but it's so rewarding.